Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello students, welcome to Swayam Prabha. The course title is Principles of Marketing. The lecture title is Developments in Marketing Part 1. This is Module 14, Lecture 1. I am Dr. Shoma Sengupta, Associate Professor Commerce, Kamla Nehru College, University of Delhi. In this module, we will cover the following topics: relationship marketing concept and dimensions, sustainable marketing concept and issues, rural marketing characteristics, drivers of growth in rural marketing mix. In this first lecture, we will discuss relationship marketing concept and dimensions and sustainable marketing concept and issues. Relationship marketing. We are aware that companies nowadays want to maintain a long-term relationship with their customers. They want repeat purchase. They want the customers to be satisfied with their product. They want the customers to good mouth about the product to other people so that other people also become your customers. So they maintain a long-term relationship. Suppose you buy a car from of a particular manufacturer, then they will keep record of you, and whenever the servicing is due, they will make you a call time and again. They will take your review of the product. So they wish to maintain a long-term relationship with the customers. Now in that manner, there are different techniques which are being developed to maintain relationship, like CRM. So customer relationship management is coming up. So let's discuss relationship marketing. Relationship marketing refers to those marketing activities that are aimed at developing and managing long-term relationship with the customers. The details about the customers, his buying patterns, contacts, etc. are maintained in a sales database. An account executive is assigned to fulfill the needs of the customers and maintain the relationship successfully. Nowadays, the technology is also being used substantially in maintaining long-term relationship and maintaining the details of the customers. Now, this promises and delivers high quality, efficient services and fair prices to the different customers over time. It results in strong economic, technical, and social ties between the members of the organizations and between the markets and the individual customers. Relationship marketing is a long-term strategy with the focus on building close relationship with the customers. The longer you have a relationship with a customer, the more profitable they become. So let us discuss certain definitions of relationship marketing. Philip Kotler states that relationship marketing is the process of building long-term, trusting, win-win relationship with customers, distributors, dealers, and suppliers. According to American Marketing Association, relationship marketing is marketing with the conscious aim to develop and manage long-term and trusting relationship with customers, distributors, suppliers, and or other parties in the marketing environment. So here in most of the definition, you are finding that they are talking about maintaining a long-term relationship not only with the customers but also with other parties like the distributors, dealers, and suppliers. So relationship marketing is a strategy designed to foster customer loyalty, interaction, and long-term engagement. So mainly we focus on customer relationship with the customers, though in its purview, relationship with distributors and suppliers is also there. This relationship marketing is designed to develop strong connections with customers by providing them with information directly suited to their needs and interests and by promoting open communication. Characteristics of relationship marketing. The focus of relationship marketing is on the customers and stakeholders rather than on the company's products. It is a long-term strategy, as we have discussed. There is more emphasis on customer retention and growth than on acquisition of new customers. It addresses all the stakeholders like suppliers, distributors, employees, stakeholders, shareholders, rather than just the customers. Now, relationship marketing is about healthy relationship, which is characterized by concern, trust, commitment, and service. So, what is concern? That is, strong relation can be maintained by knowing and understanding the needs of the customers, loyal customers, and it can be achieved by showing concern towards customers. Relationship marketing should be concerned about welfare of their customers. So, that is the first point, that is the concern. Next is trust and commitment. Focus is on developing strong relationship between buyers and sellers through trust and commitment. Avoid focusing only on short-term benefits and invest into long-term relationship or building relationship. Outcomes are efficiency, productivity, and effectiveness. This ensures demonstrating commitment and inculcating trust in partners. The service is the third pillar. Those companies which see service to customers as a cost and only are concerned about the market share will never be able to retain the customers. So they have to think more in terms of service to maintain a good relationship with the customers, make them satisfied. Relation marketing is not a cost to the company, rather it's a huge return on investment. So investing on relationship can be considered, it will give benefits in future as well. So if we see this flow chart, we can see how if you invest in service quality, you can get profitability in return. So service quality will lead to customer satisfaction. This will lead to relationship strength, relationship longevity, and finally customer relationship profitability. So whatever you are spending on relationship marketing and improving the service quality, it will lead to profitability in future for many years. Next is relationship marketing strategies. Now, different strategies are used by marketers to maintain long-term relationship. One is core service strategy. Here, the ideal core service is one that attracts new customers through its need meeting character. This cements the business through its quality, multiple parts, and provides a base for the selling of additional services over time. Then relationship customization. The nature and service affords many service firms the opportunity to customize the relationship by learning about the specific characteristics and requirements of individuals, customers, and they can compare these data for use as needed. Service firms can more precisely tailor services to the situation in hand. So according to the requirement of the customers, you can customize the relationship. In doing so, they provide their customers with an incentive to remain as customers rather than starting over with their other suppliers. So they will not move to the competitors if you cement this relationship. The next relationship marketing strategy is service augmentation, that is adding additional features so that the customer will remain with you only. It involves building extras into the service to differentiate it from the competitive offering, and this builds customer loyalty. They will stick to you because yours is an augmented service or product. Then the next one is relationship pricing. The relationship pricing means pricing services to encourage relationships. So what you can do, customers are given a price incentive so that they buy only from you. So if they remain loyal to you, then you will provide the goods at a special price to them. Then the last one is internal marketing, and this is pivotal relationship marketing strategy for many service firms. Now the interesting part is, there although there are many internal marketing strategies, all of them they cater to the customer inside the organization. And who is the customer inside the organization? That is the employee. So employee is the customer and the job is the product. So investing in that will also be helpful. If you are maintaining long-term relationship with the employees, that will also bring return to the organization. So these are the relationship marketing strategies. So what is the difference between relationship marketing and traditional marketing? Now, the relationship marketing rely heavily on customer retention and their satisfaction, that results in the long-term relationship and the repeated sales. Traditional marketing, on the other hand, emphasizes customer acquisition and one-time sales, and without giving much importance to building relationships. So this is one-time sale only, and they are not thinking about building relationship. Now, relationship marketing philosophy is prompting companies to adopt customized marketing strategies rather than mass marketing programs. That is, providing exactly what customers want and maintaining a proper communication with them. This increases satisfaction level of the customers. So all this is not done in case of traditional marketing. Benefits of relationship marketing. This ensures long-term retention of the customer. And a highly satisfied customer will stay loyal for a longer period of time, buy more from the company, talks favorably about the company and its products, pays less attention to competing brands and advertising, and is less sensitive to price, offers product or service ideas to the company, cost less to serve than new customers because transactions are routinized. So a satisfied loyal customer is an asset for the company. So that is ensured through relationship marketing. This relationship marketing also generates word of mouth publicity. A satisfied customer refer the brand to his family, friends, peers and colleagues. This will ultimately lead to increase in revenue and the customer base of the firm. Also, it helps in retaining customer even in the worst economic conditions. Once a strong relationship is formed with the customer, then rise in price of product due to change in the economic conditions will not have a negative effect on the customer purchase. Thus, the relationship marketing maintains this relationship during hard times also. Customers will readily give their valuable feedback for the firm's new product or service launched in the market. Companies can gain a competitive edge by offering a more personal touch to the customers. Companies can expand their market share. So these are the benefits of relationship marketing. And finally, the steps in relationship marketing. First of all, identify the key customers who will significantly influence the firm's future prospects. Assigning a skilled relationship manager to each customer, preparing detailed job descriptions for relationship managers, developing annual and long range customer relationship plans and programs, maintaining continuous contact with customers. This is very important, listening carefully and responding positively to their complaints, appointing an overall manager to supervise, coordinate and review performance of relationship managers. So this is everything about relationship marketing and how it can be implemented in the organizations. A new area of marketing is sustainable marketing. Now, you know that on the one hand, marketing is encouraging consumption of more and more products. So marketing has been criticized as it increases demand of for different products, also environmentally harmful ones, and also plans quick obsolescence of products, thereby putting pressure on the environment. So you can see that people are consuming more, harming the environment more, discarding more of the packages to the environment, and this is leading to whole lot of problem. Also, you are overusing the resources, and there will be one time when no such resources will be remaining for our future generation. Sustainable marketing means marketing of products and services in such a way that the needs and aspirations of the present generation are met without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs and aspirations. This requires conservation of environment, air, water, land against all types of pollution. So sustainable marketing involves using an environmental friendly technology or raw material, not reducing the carbon footprints. So all these are part of sustainable marketing. Also providing employment to the local population. That kind of product is being manufactured. So and lessening harm to the environment, from right from the production to the disposal of the packages, use packages. So that is sustainable marketing. The merits of sustainable marketing is improved brand image and competitive advantage, increase productivity and reduce costs, increase business ability to comply with regulations, attract employees and investors, reduce waste, make shareholders and stakeholders happy. The demerits are this escalates the cost. And usage of green products can cost more than using conventional products or materials. So the if the manufacturing cost increases, the prices will be all the more higher, and the customers will be reluctant to buy those products. This is also a time consuming strategy. A lot of time is needed to do the research on green practices and in implementing those practices in the organization. Now, the triple bottom line of sustainable marketing. The triple bottom line has also been referred to as by the phrase people, planet, and profit. This is also called the three E's, that is equity, economic, and environment. So these are the three pillars of sustainable marketing, and they are taken care of by sustainable marketing. Sustainable marketing is a holistic approach whose aim is to ensure that marketing strategies and tactics are specifically designed to secure a socially equitable, environmentally friendly, and economically fair and viable business for the benefit of the current and future generation of customers, employees, and society as a whole. The sustainable marketing paradigm recognizes that the success of business is intertwined with environmental, social, or ethical and economic performance, conserving and renewing nation's capital, nurturing and building social capital, earning profits for sustainable economic development. The techniques of sustainable marketing. The first one is sustainable strategy should be used, like set clear sustainable marketing goals and strive for it. Promote and support sustainable business through thought and action. Allocate resources. Focus the limited resources on sustainable growth, environment friendly activities. Educate the staff, develop a mindset for sustainable business in employees. Nowadays, green human resource management, green HRM is becoming popular. More use of technology, lesser use of paper, that is encouraged in organization. Lesser use of electricity, this is also encouraged in organizations. And the lastly, minimize waste, like reduce, reuse, and recycle should be the strategy. Going paperless, minimize use of non-renewable resources, reduce greenhouse effect. There are many other techniques for application of sustainable marketing. To summarize, we can say that relationship marketing refers to those marketing activities that are aimed at developing and managing long-term relationship with the customers. Relationship marketing ensures long-term retention of the customer and helps in gaining a competitive edge and improve market share. Sustainable marketing means marketing of products and services in such a way that the needs and aspirations of the present generation are met without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their needs and aspirations. There is the triple bottom line of sustainable marketing are people, planet, and profit, also called the three E's, that is equity, economic, and environment. Thank you, students. So this was Developments in Marketing, Part 1, Module 14, Lecture 1.